We're on the level of pity. May nakita kang naghihirap, nakakaawa naman. I hope you still feel that way. But beyond awa, pity, you must have sympathy. Ibig sabihin, karamay. I'm one with you. The third level is empathy. Ramdam kita. I feel you. That's a deeper level na. Empathize with somebody who is suffering. And the deepest level is compassion. Hindi lang feel kita, hindi lang nakikiramay ako, hindi lang naawa ko, but I get involved in you. Talagang may gagawin ako. Not just the level of thought, not just the level of speaking, not just the level of feeling, but doing it with love.